all. Let's fuel the film laying machine. Hooray! Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. And now let's wash the film laying machine. Amazing!